Hello CLC family, today we're going to take a walk through the park with Miss Daeja. So when you're walking, make sure you stay 6 feet apart from your neighbor. There will be bikers, other pedestrians, but you want to make sure you are still keeping your distance. Whether that be taking a break on the side to let other pedestrians pass, and then continuing. But you want to make sure we are staying 6 feet apart. And have fun just taking a break, looking at the scenery, being out in nature. Spring is here, so we should enjoy it. Remember, stay 6 feet apart and wash your hands after you're done and enjoy the season. And there we go.